Hello, everyone. Are you tired of only decorating the inside of your home for Christmas? Why not bring the holiday cheer outdoors? Today we're diving into some fabulous ways to deck out your gazebo for the festive season. So, grab a mug of hot cocoa and let's get started. We'll cover 6 fantastic ideas, so there's something for everyone. Nativity scene. First up, the classic nativity scene. This depiction of Jesus Christ's birth can be a heartfelt centerpiece for your gazebo. You'll need a nativity set, string lights, and extension cords. Place it in a prominent location to remind everyone of the reason for the season. Santa's workshop. Fancy transforming your gazebo into Santa's workshop. Use vibrant colors like green, white, and red, and hang colorful lights from the roof. Add playful touches like candy canes, big gift packages, and even an artificial Christmas tree topped with a whimsical Santa hat. Coastal Christmas. Who says Christmas can't be beaky? Decorate your gazebo with coastal elements like starfish, seashells, and beach-themed ornaments. Add potted plants or lanterns filled with sand or shells to transport everyone to a winter beach getaway. Keep it simple. If you're hosting a Christmas party and space is at a premium, simplicity is key. Decorate your gazebo with just lights, no Christmas tree, and let the sparkling ambience welcome your guests. Vintage Christmas market. For a nostalgic feel, why not turn your gazebo into a vintage Christmas market? Use warm and soft materials like antique-style fabric and curtains, and add vintage signage at the entrance. Decorate a small Christmas tree with classic ornaments for that old-fashioned charm. Christmas tree central. If you're all about the tree, make it the focal point of your gazebo. Decorate a stunning Christmas tree with fairy lights and other beautiful pieces. Poinsettia flowers make excellent accents. There you have it, folks. Your gazebo can be the heart of your outdoor Christmas celebrations. So don't hold back, make it magical. If you love these ideas, don't forget to like this video and subscribe Ask Gazebo for more. Happy decorating and have a Merry Christmas.